Okay, welcome back to Gym Sesh Top Tips. Today's lesson or workout is going to be a lockdown bodyweight workout. I'll put the workout up here, and each time that I perform each exercise, I'll also put the description of that exercise. It's going to be a CrossFit style Metcon workout where I do 21, 15, 9. We're going to do a little finisher at the end of plank holds. I hope you enjoy the video and you get something out of it, because this workout itself can be either done in your house, in your garden, at a local park. If you're traveling away from home, you can also do this workout if you can find a little bit of space. Also, just take 10 minutes prior to the workout just to warm your body up. You get that blood circulating around your body. Do some light jogging, some stretching. Now we've warmed up, we're going to get cracking on with the exercise. It is a timed exercise, 21, 15, 9. All you're going to do is 21 reps on each exercise, and I'll put them up, and I'll also put the workout up there as well. You'll do 21, then you'll do 15 reps, and then 9 reps, and that's you finished. And then you stop your stopwatch and record that time. Right, that's the first round done of 21s. Now you're going to move in and do them all again at 15 reps. Time's still ticking, so I'm going to crack on. Yeah, okay, so now that you've done your 21, 15 and 9 workout, take a couple of minutes rest before we move on to the next part, which is the finisher, where we're going to do plank holds. We're going to do the plank hold for a minute, then rest for a minute. We're going to repeat that 4 times. We'll do this for 1 minute. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Yeah, take a minute rest, compose yourself before you start again. Yeah, okay, so that's the end of both workouts. That took me no longer than 20 minutes to do both parts, and I was obviously talking in between on the video. So you can see what little time that you do need really to put into a bit of training that you can do at home, especially during this lockdown isolated period. If you did like the video, please leave a little bit of feedback, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to the channel. More content will be coming out all the time, especially around this lockdown period. I'm going to produce a lot more videos that you can do at home. But just remember, train safe.